just sold this guy this car. Actually, I traded it for this one. Fuck yeah! Sorry.
Anyone with a muffler like this gets pulled off the road, fine.
Yeah.
Just put a new muffler on or he don't drive.
Do it
I'm not
again.
being funny. That's ridiculous. I mean, can you imagine if I was to go make that noise at 4
I'd be so happy. I'd be so excited.
I love it.
Don't be stupid, you guys. Because
He just bought it, man.
What?
I had to try her out. It's my new race car.
whatever.
All right.
It's funny.
No,
if
fair
I
enough.
had the laws to change, you'd be not driving anything.
Why me? I wasn't driving.
It was me.
I'm telling you, anyone. Anyone that does that kind of stuff. And
Cool.
I like the idea of a concentration camp with a machine gun tower.
That is some of the dankest Chiba I've ever laid eyes on. Shit. I can't wait to puff this dank Chiba. Doesn't want to burn. Nice, dude.
Oh,
Puff that dank Chiba while it's still hot.
Whoa.
Whoa, it's cherried.
Whoa.
Give me a hit.
Yeah, dog.
Shit. Ooh, so high. Off this dank Chiba. Here. Yeah, that's a pretty good rollie.
Just show some fucking respect. Shut the fuck up.
No, it's not fucking
Man, that's not cool, man. I fucking earned that. Shut the fuck up. I will fucking shit kick your boyfriend. You tell me if it's smooth or not, though.
This is $58 a shot.
Tell me if it's smooth.
Leave her alone.
Keep trying to pick a fight, get out of here, you're going to jail.
I'm going home.
Yeah.
Thank God they let go of me. Fuck. I'm very confused.
Let him drive.
Excuse me, I lived there for 7 years.
Hey, let him drive.
I'm the bad guy. Let me drive. I'll fucking get you there.
Beckles.
So just to let you know, I like him more than all of you guys, and you fuck, I'll fucking kill you.
Well, we're getting out ready to go fucking take the pit bikes for a shred today. We're just about ready to fucking get these things going. We look over and there's a fucking pig sitting across the street. That's kind of awkward.
What a fucking asshole.
It was ruining the day. We were going to leave from the house, but I don't think it's possible now.
A little bit of a dickhead.
Take the pit bikes out to the mountain bike trail, see if we can get some people pissed off at us.
And that cop just like leave.
What's up, boys? Does that thing even fucking run, dude?
Yeah. I had her fired up earlier. Here comes Melday. Holy fuck. It's so slick out here right now. It's fucking cow shit everywhere.
So you want a bump start video?
Yeah, do it.
Yeah, that's easy. Sendable.
Sendable, alright.
It's so slippery up here. There's ice everywhere. And I have a bald back tire. Doesn't help I have the coronavirus.
Those chickens looked okay.
Yeah, they were happy.
They were.
Yeah, they actually told me that both of their panties were wet.
Yeah, if you want to pick up like some hot chicks,
Just ride 110s. Get their dogs really barking at you and shit, that shit makes them wet. Rock that bitch! Yeah! For all you fucking pit bikers out there who don't know, this is a hot commodity, man.
Junior 80.
What year is that bitch?
2000, 2001?
Yeah, it's a classic. 2001-ish Suzuki JR80.
Has no bottom end though. It's like,
No bottom end, but it's a fucking two-smoke, so mixing gas and hauling ass. We're out here, we're at the top of the hill.
Yeah, we actually got up a ways. First kick.
Oh!
It's because she's running so hot though.
Whatever, dude. Wow! Hey! We made it. We did it.